here, this is the spacious and beautiful living and open kitchen concept, so you can check out easily. This is about the flooring. So this is the flooring that everyone, and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal, and today we are here at Concord Elevate, which is located in Avalahalli, Bangalore, a project by Concord Group. So here, Elevate consists of 3 E's, which stand for elevated, enhanced and exclusive. And now we are here to do the 4 BHK model flat tour. But before that, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So I am standing just in front of the marketing office. So this is the marketing office of Concord Elevate. And about the land parcel is just behind this marketing office. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you don't need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders, because on Housey the listing is done by the builder and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview, and this how your project will look like once it's ready. With total Southeast Asian theme. This is constructed in total 2.16 acres of land parcel with single tower, 2 basement ground plus 36 floors, having exclusive 3 BHK apartment which are lake facing and 4 BHK apartment which are city facing. Now about the amenities part, and this project provide you luxurious amenities like a 15,000 square feet of clubhouse which is on the ground level with all the indoor games. Here comes a swimming pool, kids play area. Additionally, you'll be getting outdoor sitting area, yoga lawn and many more. Now coming to the location part, so this project is located just connected to the Old Madras Road in Avalahalli, Bangalore. So let me show you, this is the Old Madras Road, and this road over this side will take you towards KR Puram, and on the opposite side will take you towards Hoskote. Now about the further connectivity and the location of the project, Satya Sai Multi-Specialist Hospital is just 2.8 kilometers away from the project. Orion Uptown Mall is 4 kilometers away, and KR Puram railway station is 7 kilometers away from the location of the project. Now this is a 4 BHK sample flat of 2556 square feet super built up area. But before we move in, let me show you the main entrance. So this is the main entrance, and here is the video door phone and as well the digital door lock for your security purpose. One thing to mention over here, in this project you'll be getting 3-tier security, one on the entrance, one on the lobby and third on your main entrance. Now here they have provided a separate entry for your staff room, which you can use it in a multi-purpose way. Now let's enter towards your beautiful and spacious 4 BHK. So once you enter, you can check out the lobby space. And over here, this is the spacious and beautiful living and dining area. So this is the part of the living area where you can set your sofa set in front of the TV unit. Now let's enter towards this beautiful balcony. So the USP point of this project is the balcony with anti-skid wooden finishing flooring with toughened glass railing, and you can check out from here the beautiful scenic view of the city. Now let's move further towards your kitchen and the dining area. Exactly behind the living area here you can set your dining table. So isn't it huge? You can set easily 6 to 8 seater of dining table. And now this is the niche area where you can do your beautiful decors that use in a multi-purpose way. This is your kitchen area with an open kitchen concept, so you can check out easily. This is the beautiful spacious kitchen area with beautiful interior work done for your reference with the cabinets, the platform. Here is a window for ventilation and lighting purpose, and now this side is the utility area, the separate entrance and the second entrance for your staff room as well. Now about the bedroom, so this is the butterfly concept layout. So 1 bedroom over this side, another 3 on this side. Let's move towards your guest bedroom. Your bedroom number 1. Once you enter, you can check out, here is the lobby space for your privacy, and this is a spacious bedroom area. Here is the bed space, the cross window for cross ventilation, the wardrobe space and the full French windows. And even they are providing the aluminium railing for the safety purpose. Now let's move further. But before that, about the washroom, so here is the attached washroom with anti-skid tile, CP sanitary fitting, shower glass partition and a sensor control light. Now let's move towards the other bedroom. Now walking through your living and dining area, we'll be moving towards your another bedroom. But before that, let me mention one thing, that here they are providing in this project the home automation system. So you'll be getting easily the home automation system. And before we enter here, here is the common washroom with anti-skid tile, CP sanitary fitting, shower glass partition and the sensor lights as well. Now exactly opposite to your washroom area, here comes your bedroom number 2. And this is the spacious bedroom. You can even check out the bed space, the wardrobe space, TV unit space and the window. The French window with the railing, the aluminium railing for your safety purpose. Now let's move further towards your bedroom number 3. So again, walking through this passage area. And now this is your bedroom number 3. Once you enter, for the privacy, they have even given you the forward area. And now this is your beautiful bedroom. You can check out the interior, which says that it is your kids' bedroom. So here is the wardrobe area, the bed area and the window. So this is the French window and the cross window for ventilation and lighting purpose. Now over this side is your washroom. Now over this side is your washroom area with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now about the master bedroom, but before entering towards the master bedroom, let me introduce you with features of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location tool. With such sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tool. All these wonderful features under one platform, that is www.housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Register for free and schedule your free site visit. Now, just beside this bedroom is the master bedroom. Uniqueness tells about the flooring. So this is the flooring, that is the wooden finishing flooring. You can check out the spacious room with the TV unit space, the couch area, bed area. Here is the cross window for ventilation and lighting purpose. And over this side is the walk-in wardrobe with attached washroom, anti-skid tile, CP sanitary fitting and shower glass partition with sensor light. Now another plus point of this bedroom is the balcony. So here you'll be getting the balcony with 2-side open view of the city. So this was all about your 4 BHK in this project. How was it? Do let me know in the comment section below. And as you all know, we are here at Concord Project. Have you checked another project with this builder? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. All the information of this project is provided in the I button. You do not have to go here and there. And lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.